Is that right? What's popping, everybody? It's Kurt here, and I'm back with another maths video. And in today's lesson, we'll be looking at the divisibility rule for the number 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. No, not 4,444, but the number 4. So, let's work. So the number 4 is also a dope number. Number 4 is cool. Like, if I think of the number 4, I think of like quad biking. Anyway, that's my quad biking vibe. But also like, may the force be... No, that's not funny. May the force be with you. No, it doesn't work. Anyway, what is the divisibility rule for the number 4? Cue the music.
A number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits is divisible by 4. The last 2 digits, yes. Divisible by 4.
The last 2 digits must be divisible by 4. Yes. So let's check the lyrics to get to know the rule a bit better. So it says, a number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. Okay? The last 2 digits has to be divisible by 4. And if those 2 digits are divisible by 4, then we know, yes, we know that the entire number is divisible by 4. Lekker. But now, let's tackle a question, right? And then apply the rule, because this is going to help us, this is going to help us get it right and understand it. So, let's go. Let's apply the rule to the number 536. Yep. Now, Kurt, what does the rule say? The rule says that I must look at the number and then focus on the last 2 digits. Okay? So, what are the last 2 digits in the number 536? It's 36. So now we're just going to focus on 36. And now we have to check if 36 is divisible by 4. Like, if we divide 36 by 4, will it be able to split evenly with no remainder? Let's see. Now, we can use multiplication, the multiples of 4, to check if 36 is divisible by 4.
You know what? You gotta never forget. You gotta never forget. You gotta put in the work. You gotta put in the work. You gotta never forget to put in the work. You gotta never forget to put in the work. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52. Put in the work. You gotta 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52. Put in the work. You gotta
slow down. Yep, that was the multiples of 4 with some dancing, but let's slow it down a bit. Let's run through our multiples of 4 and see if we get to 36 when we multiplying by 4. So let's go. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. 4 times 9 gives me 36. So 36 divided by 4 will give me 9. And because we know 36 is divisible by 4, which is the last 2 digits of the number 536, we now know that 536 is also divisible by 4, because that's how the rule works. So why does the divisibility rule for the number 4 work? Why do we only have to check if the last 2 digits is divisible by 4? Why don't we have to check the last 3 or the last 4 digits, right? Or last 5 digits? Why? So, this is the reason. The numbers in the hundreds place, whether it's 100, 200, 300, 400, will always be divisible by 4. Let's look at the number 100. If we divide 100 by 4, each one will get 25. If I have 100 Rand and there's 4 of us, each one will get 25 Rand, okay? Let's hop over to Mathigon and see if 100 is divisible by 4. Let's go. Now, okay, cool. So, in front of us, we have 100 blocks. And now, we're going to see if we can divide 100 by 4. So, let's check. What I'm going to do is, I'm first going to see if I can split it into 4 groups with color, and then I'm going to separate them so that you can see 100 is divisible by 4. So, let's go. Aha, there you go. I just separated 100 into 4 groups using color. Now I'm going to move them apart so that you can see it's even, and then we can count how many blocks is in each divided group. Let's go. And there we go. We divided 100 evenly into 4 groups. And how many blocks are in each group? 25. 100 divided by 4 is 25. Right? There's 25 pink blocks, there's 25 purple blocks, there's 25 blue blocks, and 25 orange blocks. So now we know that 100 is divisible by 4. And if we have 500, which is 5 groups of 100, then we know it's divisible by 4. Same with the number 1000. 1000 divided by 4 will give us 250. 10,000 divided by 4 will give us 2,500. Right? 100,000 divided by 4 will give us 25,000. So, from the third place value to the left, 100, your 1,000, your 10,000, your 100,000, your million, all the numbers in those place values are always divisible by 4. And that's why we only have to check the last 2 digits. Because the last 2 digits aren't always divisible by 4. If we have the number 25, is 25 divisible by 4? No, it's not. There will be a remainder. Right? Is 27 divisible by 4? No, it's not. There will always be a remainder. And that's why we only have to check the last 2 digits. Because the last 2 digits aren't always divisible by 4. And there you have it. Now you know why the rule works. And now you know why we only have to check the last 2 digits. Isn't that amazing? But okay. You know, now that we got it, we can recap and get out of here.